Well, welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. Dean, pay attention.
Marla, have you seen this house? We got to show these people this house.
Yes.
Let's go. Come on. This is crazy.
Wow, look at this huge island with this gorgeous quartz countertop. I absolutely love it.
Come on in. There's room for 10. Marla, did you bring the drinks?
Oh, I forgot. I thought you did.
Ah, geez. Okay, that's all right. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you have any questions about this property or any others, give us a call. This is where you'll find us.